Well, can you open it? Just rip the paper. Look what brother did. He opened it. See?
Hey, smile. It's a big smile.
Oh! It's a truck!
Oh, it's your lucky day. Look at that, guys.
You rip it. You rip that paper. You're good at ripping things. You're not? You want brother to open it for you?
Trucks are your favorite thing.
There, you finish. You want me to take it out of the box for you? That is awesome. That is an incredible looking truck.
Wow, what'd you get? Truck? Truck, truck. Truck, truck, truck.